Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are discussing another lead code daily question. If you really like to solve lead code daily question, please follow our channel. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the video. Okay. So let's start with what question really means. You're given an m into n grid filled with non-negative numbers. Find the path from top left from here to top bottom. What you can say that bottom right. Okay, top left to bottom right, which minimize the sum of all numbers along its path. Okay, so what really problems means you need to add such numbers that carries a path from 0th position to n minus n m minus 1 position with minimum sum. And what we can do, you can move either down or right at the point in the time. Okay, so what it really means, you can move in this direction or this direction, and you need to give the minimum path. So what you really get from here, you need to give the minimum path in all possible paths in a grid. Okay, so you get an intuition of recursion. How the recursion really means with two possibilities, only two possibilities here, that will be left and right. Okay, so that are the two possibilities, left, or what you can say that left and bottom, or right and bottom, sorry, right and bottom will be two possibilities of recursion starting from 0th index. So let's make it easier. We will be going to start from n minus 1 position and m minus 1 position, and we have to call for left and up recursions, and then we will be getting minimum of them. What you can say that left recursion will be get the minimum path that possible from this way, and up recursion will be give you minimum path from this way. So you will be just going to taking the minimum and add the current value in it. So but this process will not going to that much optimized, because you need to made almost 2 to the power n into m calls for getting all possible path and minimum one also. So you need to optimize it by storing uh, the calls that we are made in a dp2d vector. So let's see how we can do it moving forward with it. So this is a normal constraint that we, n is the row, m is the columns, and this is a dp vector that we are maintaining for optimization of our solution. Okay, so here we go, path sum. If we have reached from this call where we made this way, we are going to call for this way, and this call will also made for this way and this way, then this call will made for this way, because this call is not valid, then this call will made for its way, and it reads 0 0 position, then it will return the number at 0 0 position, that will be 1. Okay, and that this way this path will be going moving forward with that up and left. Okay, so if in the call that we have made any invalid call, such as here the corner condition, this call will is not valid, so I and j will be less than 0, then we will return the maximum. So that in order to, what you can say that in order to not get into that path. Okay, say if we have already stored the path, then we will just return in dp vector that will be optimize our recursion calls, and these are the two recursion call, up and left, and for the current number we are going to taking the minimum of both of them and just adding into grid. Okay, so that's all about it, and it is have a complexity of around n into m. That is not too bad in the case of dp, or what you can say that recursion way, and it seems right. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe.